Yes, so welcome to this YouTube channel. Again, this is KMR Technology. So today I'm gonna show you how you can buy airtime on Airtel for Airtel using MTN Mobile Money. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit there, comment, like, share. So let's continue with the tutorial. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come and dial this. So you simply come and touch this. So you come and dial star 254 hash. Then I use simple because it's continue. Then you come over here and put Airtime and bundles. Then here just put 1. So on this option you can either buy internet bundle or buy airtime. So we put 1 because I want to buy airtime. Then you select which network you're gonna want to buy airtime. So as you are seeing, you can buy either Airtel, MTN, Lycamobile, Airtel, Smile. So I want it on Airtel, which is good. Then I put the Airtel number. So I'm putting Airtel number. Continue. Then we put amount. I want to buy airtime of 105. 1,500 UGX. So I click set. Then you are seeing they are bringing the names of whom you want to buy airtime. So we put 1, proceed. Then we wait. We wait for authorization. So we click OK as we wait. So you are seeing the message has come. You are paying at Federals Limited. So confirm by putting your PIN there. This is the PIN. So as you are seeing, my airtime has been approved. My airtime has been approved. So you must be having a fee, more money to cover that airtime you are buying. So 1,500 they have charged just 110 shillings. So this is how you can buy airtime from MTN Mobile Money, Airtel. So please, if this video helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification, comment, like, share. So let's check whether my airtime has come. balance, star 131 hash. So SIM 1 is Airtel. So I'm waiting for it. Yes, as you are seeing, guys, you are seeing the message. You have topped up to 1,500 shillings. Your current balance is 1,500. Let me check again. So this is the message. As you are seeing, this is the message of result from MTN Mobile Money. So let me check the balance again. I will check. So guys, I think you are seeing what? The balance. So in this tutorial I'm using Airtel Money, MTN Mobile Money to buy Airtime to Airtel. So please, if you want this fix, please check the description of this video. Get a link to my Telegram channel where you will be getting more tricks of internet and internet files for free internet. So thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.